Hey everyone, it's the Loc Twins. So today we are using a style by Nalatress. These are their hand wrapped butterfly locks, and I want to say 24 inches, jet black. I used about 5 packs, and I'm telling y'all, I freaking love these butterfly locks so much. My hair was freshly done in this video, and I was already styling. I had no tension, no weight. They are freaking weightless, dog. Like, I'm loving them. So I wanted to come in first and show you guys some styles that I was kind of playing with them a little bit. I still have my locks in, so I would say that's about going on probably 3 to 4 weeks. I love them so much, so we're gonna go ahead and teach you all how we did this tutorial our way and put a little twist on it. So we are starting with freshly washed and blow dried hair, and we're going to do the arch part method, where we really just do a free part type of parting, but it's just arched all the way through. So first thing we do, you see how small that loop is. You have to pull on either the right side or the left side to really open up that loop. Take the loop with the crochet hook through the braid, through the base, and then bring the braid through. The next step is to go in small sections and go through the lock, up the base, up the shaft, excuse me, of the lock. Latch on the braid and pull it down, and continue to do this the whole shaft of the lock until you can officially and completely hide the braid.
Oh no. When doing, when we at the top and you trying to get that first piece to go through with the lock, if their braid is a little thick, don't try to go send the crochet needle through so far on the lock. You can do just a little piece at a time in order to get that plait through. Because if it's too big, it's going to not have to take this around and start again. And braid. Yeah, it's to getting it through though. I don't want to have the braids out, but yeah. Go through the braid and I just start putting it in. Make sure you count how many we got, because there's no need to go overboard. Okay. Yeah, back here. No. Anyway, yes, video. I'm playing with that quality. Yeah, that's okay. Nó bỏ xanh cho mày. Huh? It's gonna be a show to remember, okay? I think I'll go sit I can do some shit on the side. No. No. The time, I mean, the day, it looks late, but the time is kind of early. Like, what time is it, you know? What time is it, do you know? It's 5:51. Oh, what time is it freaking badly? It's a 15,000 view video right here. There's no man. There's no man, it's crazy. I want you to do the voiceover. Yeah, because I got little things, I'm like... Oh, shit, okay. Oh, okay, cool.
All right, y'all, at this point, we were freshly done with my hair. Can you just look at how lightweight this looks? I'm sorry, but my goodness, they are so full, so pretty, so freaking light. I was already pulling these up in a ponytail. I was ready to go style, do my baby hairs, honey, the whole shebang. I'm telling y'all, I love this style so much. Now, I personally love my hair individually locked, but you can do this with a crochet base. Like Beauty Can Braid has a very good crochet base routine or method that you all can go look up if you don't want to go through the whole process of doing the individual crochet method. But Taylor and I find that this looks way more realistic. It's way more versatile because I can kind of open up the middle, do a half of half down, flip them over to each side, you know, the whole shebang, y'all. But we were freaking loving this style so much. I was freaking out, y'all. I couldn't believe it. I think I had like 4 locks left over. Usually we try to squeeze every last freaking lock in there because 55 is mainly our topic. Hey y'all, to my niece. But 55 is usually like our max that we would put in, but I still had like 4 left over, so whatever. But I'm hoping y'all love this video and this tutorial so much. If you want a more in-depth video, feel free to refer back to our video before this one. It was a client tutorial, but I'm definitely loving this style. If you are not very good at the butterfly method, the thumb method, I encourage you to go ahead and try this method first and then see if you like it or not, because either way, you're going to get the look that you want as far as that poetic butterfly, mermaid, butterfly look for the locks, okay? Hope y'all love this video, and we have way more coming for y'all. Stay blessed and stay healthy.